Hello everybody, this is Winterbrose. In this video segment on pulse mode blending, we're going to show you how to grab and move objects within the viewport of Blender. As you can see here, we're running Blender version 2.83.4, so let's begin. So what we're going to do really quick is we have the default cube. We'll just go ahead and leave that in there. And we're going to go to the mesh, add mesh. We're going to go ahead and add the monkey head. And we'll just add a couple other items really quick. Just so it gives something to play around with. Put a cone in there, we'll put a cylinder in there. There we go, that'll be plenty. So you can see right now we have they all are overlapping inside the center here, but we don't want that. We want to be able to see these individually and combine them or work on them individually. But so we need to move them, separate them by moving them. So right now we have the cylinder selected. So if we hit the G key on our keyboard, it does grab, and we can just move that any way we want, move around in the viewport. Now the problem with this is, I don't know if you can see it going up in a, if you look at the plane, the little grid, the floor plane, it's going up and down, left and right. So if you right click, it'll put it back, it'll undo whatever you just did. If you left click, it'll put it where you want it. So the thing here, we'll go ahead and grab the cylinder again, but let's say we want to just move that along the X axis. So we can hit X, and you see it won't move up or down or left and right. Well, it'll just go along the X. So we can just move that up here, and you can do the same thing for other items. Let's say we'll select the cube quick and we'll grab it. See how we can move it all around, but we'll hit the Y and it'll just move it along the Y axis. And of course you can do the same thing. Let's go ahead and select the monkey head and we'll hit G to grab it. And here you can see it move it around. You can hit the Z and you can keep it moving up along the Z axis. So sometimes that helps you maintain a little better focus on where you want to put it. You want things like above and below each other, left and right, or whatever. We hope you enjoyed this video presentation. Have a great day.